Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, we are unpacking again on Senzo Me. Why guys lalela umnisi? And at first I was like, is he sick? But umnisi was hot. Oh my gosh, I was just like umnisi. Uzusibonisa mar. Yo, umnisi guys is in another level. There was a stage where he said, Labantu namasukela, any of them was even wearing a hoodie la. Nina. Zulu guys, what's in yabasukela? Any of 5 of them. Because the next. Bali bengasazi naye. Umnisi is in another level. Let's say with a little analysis. Guys, umnisi ngeke guys. Manje with they was gaslighting them now. Honestly, Brigadier Gininda beno umuntu wakhe advocate Baloyi. So with your analysis, your little analysis, namanje angakafuna ukuvuma ukuthi ayikho lento eniyikhulumayo. Uzobe batshela scientist and Brigadier Gininda athi I'm not an expert. Uyamazi ke message I'm not an expert, I'm not a scientist, but I have an idea. It's not me, it's the scientist who came to court and said that none of these accused, all 5 of them are not linked to the hurt. Guys, besides ukuthi isigqoko that was found inside the Khumalo house was not linked to the 5 accused, kusho a scientist as per umnisi's narration, right? Ozwasho ukuthi including accused number 3. There's a sigqoko wangesona esabo. Asasana sigqoko thina. That hurt was not for accused number 3 or any of the other 4 accused or 5 accused actually. So it's not asasana sigqoko. My thing is that it's the same as how uPinky Vitalingam usisi lo osebenza Vodacom once also said, ukuthi you know what, not once actually, quite a few times, ukuthi these 5 accused, they were not near the crime scene as per their phones and their moves. They never enforced on us. But guys, we are still sitting in court. Angazi for what? Umnisi nje shem lapho kube sethatha enye direction esithi noma ngabe yipi corroboration. Kodwa na umnisi ngeze corroboration yenu that you made up or decided on. But laba bantu aba 5, ithi scientist lesasigqoko is not theirs. Uzungu guys, rumor has it ukuthi now he works in Cape Town. Wavele nje washabalala nje on this earth asazi ukuthi uphi Uzungu. And then he comes out again today. His credibility is actually questioned again today. Ngoba phela silasikhona mawusukhumula kahle Uzungu nobaba ko Absolom and their lies and their beef that they have with especially accused number 1. Izitori zabo zakanongoma esikahlangene singazazi. Some family beef ongazi ukuthi konje thina mhlambe singenawe. And then Brigadier Gininda went with that story ukuthi okay, accused number 1 actually and 2 ngizobathola kanjalo nangoZungu umnganami benobaba ku Absolom, they going to help me out here. He's back there again futhi Brigadier Gininda no corroborate wakhe beno Absolom kanye noZungu nobaba wakho Absolom ubuyele lapho futhi ucorroborate. Yabona indaba ka-Absolom seriously benoZungu guys, honestly again it's questioned again, like bangena kuphi labantu ngempela in our things with this case, you know how they made up stuff and how Brigadier Gininda will be going on saying things like I needed to speak to Absolom to corroborate what Uzungu was saying, the lies that Zungu was telling, the same lies that Zungu came to tell in God. Ukuthi lebantu labazana babese hostel abangaza bafike kuyona ibasuthu hostel yabo that they created with Brigadier Gininda. Guys, it needs to stop at some stage. Guys, the drama this actually is dramatic. At some stage, you to there's a gorogoro, some noise that's coming there at the back. It must be controlled. Hey, guys, I say sorry, Brigadier. I would see anything I'm just like, wow, guys, I see that noise is taking away his focus from Uglalelu Brigadier. Abo nje shem, abo umnisi shem yakwanza drama unayo. Athi he can't focus. Guys, go konke njena just as much as umnisi takes it to other level lazobe ethi scientist, but the DNA guys iyasigqoko esatholakala endlini, it's not. pointing to these guys, these 5 guys. You know, that's the whole point here, I guess, at the end of the day. And to understand ukuthi into ka-Absalom noZungu, it's a hearsay for us as defense there. We just like, isn't exist lezo nje. We're listening, but it's not something you can take. And once those things to be admitted in court, engazi kanjani guys, into nje ingazwakali. So in all essence, Ubaloyi, when he took the adjournment, what's in the short adjournment, my lord, ubeyobheka le statement sikaZungu that was made by uZungu no Absalom. Those claims zabo vele that you just feel like, yeah, no, there's some beef going on there. And like I said, it's also at the end of the day, futhi naye uGinindaba, I've said this many times, ukuthi ume ngalezo inyawo vele zikaZungu no Absalom. But my thing is that into zabe hearsay, those things don't exist. Azikho. I mean, it's clear, guys. Why are you even talking about them, you know? Guys, uqeda ukukhuluma ngendaba yama-AVL ne. Why singabizi the person at SAPS, the one that made the statement, the one that said ama-AVL engafakwanga, especially on the Red Golf. Ngoba futhi ngithi it does have an AVL. Lento umnisa ilusayo. Yindaba ngazi ekhothe-ke naye lo azo-eda-ke shembandla amangakhe ngoba vele bayobe sebekhulume naye uGinindaba noBaloyi. But he must just come to court. That's just my thing. Ngizoqeda ukukhuluma lento le. Guys, ke sime lapha kodwa nje ngifuna ukugcina futhi again ngale ndaba ye-DNA ukuthi all the 5 accused were excluded. Doesn't matter the process ukuthi kwenziwe kanjani, but abangeni nowela abantu lapha. But people keep on, mangithi people ngisho uBrigadier Genenda ne-state sakhe uBaloyi, they keep on confusing us and we're not confused. Guys, isoke sime lapho ne, sizoqhubeka futhi kusasa sizwe indaba futhi again zo-Absalom nama-DNA nama-AVL and the lies. They will continue tomorrow. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Ngithanda over. Thank you.